Hi ladies, and welcome to the Full for Life kitchen. We're gonna talk a little bit today about meal prepping and just how it really sets you up for kitchen success. So as soon as you get home from the grocery store, the best thing to do is to wash any produce that you can, so fruits and vegetables, and then chop anything that you can for the week. So we just chopped up some cantaloupe. We're gonna have corn this week, so we cleaned it and husked it. I can't say that word. And we're making some burger meat so we can throw that on top of salads and different things. Chopping up some fresh fruit. Say hi.
Hi.
We're also, we made some broccoli salad, chopped up some onions, so if you make eggs or just anything, you can throw those onions in there and they're already pre-chopped. Some black beans to top anything with. Another thing that I forgot to mention is we always make Full for Life's chicken salad and tuna salad for lunches. We use Greek yogurt in that. The recipe is up on the website for you guys. And we typically will grill either some fresh fish or some chicken to top salads or just throw in a wrap throughout the week for lunch. So basically anything that you can wash ahead of time, chop ahead of time, or prepare ahead of time will really help you throughout the week and sets you up for kitchen success. So anyway, I hope that helped you, and have a great day. Live full for life and cheers to a healthy lifestyle.